The water gun can douse the fire! Firefighter Kiki sets off! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when danger removed. Bye! Goodbye, firefighter! Firefighting is complete! Let's fill the fire truck with water! Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to drag the hose to connect the fire hydrant. Turn the hose to tighten it. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the... Don't be afraid, Candy. The rescue team will be here soon. Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Slide the rope to pull the person out of the water. Rescue mission completed! Danger removed. Bye! Goodbye, firefighter! There is an emergency call for help! What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Raise the ladder and search in the tree above. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, Kiki. Look, the pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket! Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue! It's urgent! Come on, Kiki! The fire extinguisher can put out the fire. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go! Don't be afraid, Fuzzy. The fire rescue will start immediately. Four trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. Choose protective tools for the trapped people.
Yeah!
Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. Choose protective tools for the trap. Thank you. There is an obstacle. The trapped person. Thank you. There's a fire. Put it out. Fire extinguisher can put out all fires. There is an obstacle. Not right. There is an obstacle. Emergency shovel can shovel away all obstacles. The trapped person is in danger.
Oh!
Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah! This is a perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors. Waiting for firefighters to rescue.